We're heading out to sea now to test the H28 Day Cruiser, a boat known for its comfort and style, equipped with a splendid 300 Honda engine. Our goal today is to see how this cruiser performs on the open water, checking its handling, speed, and overall experience. We're excited to share this journey with you, so make sure to follow us and stay tuned for our impressions as we put the H28 Day Cruiser to the test. This boat is the product and result of the partnership between Honda and Ranieri. In fact, it's the 4XC by Ranieri boat designed to achieve an excellent combination of engine, power, and pedigree. What really sets this boat apart is its livability and the clean, uncluttered layout of all the spaces on board. For example, the helm bench is separated from the area, let's call it the kitchen, because that's what it is, the galley area, and here at the stern it's completely open and free. I often find myself having to raise and lower the seats, but here, everything is convenient and within easy reach. The cockpit is therefore highly usable, also thanks to these benches built into the gunwales on both the right and left sides, and the aft bench is foldable and can be converted into an additional sunbed. This cockpit has really been designed extremely well. I truly feel like a jockey, one of the good ones, with 300 purebred horses beneath me right here on. Riding this engine, an exceptional, super quiet engine. In fact, even if I lower my voice, you still can't hear it, and right now it's running at 1,000 RPM. The access to the boat from the stern is therefore extremely easy. This is truly a boat to enjoy for a day of swimming and so much more, because we also have, of course, a sunbed at the bow and a cabin to discover. Follow me to the sunbed. The bow sunbed is completely different from the classic one because normally you lie down with your head over there and your feet here, but these headrests are just too inviting. What a sight, wow, even at this sunset hour. But let's also go inside the cabin to check out the details. The steps are very comfortable, cozy, and super safe, and I'm actually sailing right now because we're traveling at 8 knots. Unlike the boats you often find on the market, the front part can be used as a bed because we have a walk-around bow sunbed. So on the same level I can keep walking just like on classic open boats, all on a single level. Of course, because of this we lose the possibility of having a cabin underneath, but there is still a double bed and a toilet since we also have a standard WC right here below. So, everything you might need on board this boat to spend everything you need for an entire day is right here. And it's not just comfortable, it's very, very comfortable, as well as exceptionally well made. Okay, that's enough with the description. We've had our fun, but now let's actually go try out this boat, especially these 300 thoroughbred horses we've got waiting on the stern. So all that's left to do is put it in gear, hold on tight, and let's go have some real fun. Follow us. Let's also check another important thing, how long it takes us to get on plane. There are 3 of us on board. I put it in gear, so gear engaged, trim all the way down, 3, 2, 1, go, 1, 2, 3 seconds. Well, not bad. In 3 seconds, we're already out of the water. Another important piece of information is the cruising speed or the minimum planing speed, which often coincide on boats of this size. So we're currently doing a steady 17 knots, cruising along at 3,100 RPM. Our fuel consumption is 0.5 miles per liter of fuel, which is quite efficient. Not bad at all. Let's also try flooring the throttle and see how it goes. Ready? Hold on tight. 19, 22, 25. Wow, guys, these are real thoroughbreds. Truly impressive. 33, 34. That acceleration is just incredible, isn't it? You can really feel the power as we pick up speed. 36.7, basically 37 knots, and as you can see, we're in total comfort. I mustn't forget to remind you to subscribe to our channel if you don't want to miss any of our Nautica in Pilol videos or boat tests. I also can't forget to thank Honda, who allowed us to test their engine paired with this fantastic boat. The other thanks go to Davide, as usual, who has to put up with the tough jobs. the camera like this, and we also have Marco from Neo Marine as the driver, who allowed us to let him drive the boat. This time, I remembered to mention it at the end, but not Davide. The boat is 8.20 meters long and 2.55 meters wide, and in any case, all the technical information about the boat that I mentioned during the video, including speed and other commercial details, you can obviously ask Barcia Belandi about, since it's a product that could soon be yours, a spectacular boat. You can find our email, phone number, and all our contact details, including our physical address, right in the drop-down of this video. We tested the boat with the Zipwake active, so the boat's trim regulators were on. If we turned everything off and reset it, we could probably gain even more speed, but this way we had maximum comfort. After a fantastic evening or day here at the Genoa Boat Show, all that's left for me to say is fair winds and always keep an eye on the weather.